Using Xfinity Hotspot is a convenient way to stay connected to the internet on the go. To get started, you need to be an Xfinity Internet customer with a compatible plan. First, locate an Xfinity hotspot in your area by using the Xfinity Hotspot Finder tool on the Xfinity website or mobile app. Once you have found a hotspot, make sure your device is Wi-Fi enabled and select the Xfinity Wi-Fi network from the list of available networks. If you are using a device for the first time, you will be prompted to sign in with your Xfinity account credentials. If you do not have an Xfinity account, you can create one by following the prompts on the sign-in page. After signing in, you will be connected to the Xfinity Wi-Fi network and can start browsing the internet. To optimize your Xfinity hotspot experience, it is recommended to use the Xfinity Wi-Fi app, which allows you to find hotspots, sign in, and even pause your connection when not in use. Additionally, be sure to use a secure connection by verifying the network name and avoiding sensitive activities. On public Wi-Fi, best practices include keeping your device and Xfinity app up to date, using strong passwords, and being mindful of data usage to avoid going over your plan limits. By following these steps and tips, you can easily use Xfinity Hotspot to stay connected and productive on the go.